Tom Glazer, author of Full Heart Living, here with another nutritious yet delicious recipe. Try it out. When I married into a Jewish family, one of the many delights was discovering Hamantaschen cookies. This tastes to me almost exactly like those, but without all the refined sugars and flours. We start with 1 cup of cooked millet, 1 cup of flour. You could use either oat or almond. I'm using oat today. 1/3 of a cup of hemp hearts or hemp seeds. Now for the dates, if you're using medjool dates, you'd use about 10 to 12. These are a little smaller, newer dates, so I'm using about 15 of them. Next is the juice of 1/2 lemon and 1/2 lime. And then the zest of that lemon and lime. So we'll just mix that all together for about 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm just pressing these together and then making these tiny little balls. And then rolling these in some shredded coconut. Optional if you don't like coconut, but I love coconut. Okay, so these have been in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Let's give them a try. It's like heaven in my mouth, okay? There's the carbohydrates from the millet, there's the sweetness from the dates, and then the tanginess of the lemon and lime juice and the zest. Ambrosia. Give it a try.